Dear God, please. Inspire me, Lord. Tell me what to say. 3, 2, 1. Hey, beautiful people. My name is Tim Lee Michael. I'm a caricaturist out of Great Falls, Montana. And prior to this, I had the opportunity to work at some of Orlando's largest theme parks drawing caricatures for many years. And I'm asking you for some help that completely puts me in my not so comfortable zone. So much so that this is probably my 31st take of making this video. Trying to ask for your help. It amazes me how God puts people in the woodwork to bless you. And I used to be a pastor. I am a Christian, and I believe firmly that God has a plan for each one of our lives. And I've always dreamed and aspired to the idea of traveling and teaching my art techniques, being a vlogger, shooting with my cameras and things like that. And I've just always aspired to be something more than just a guy who draws on paper. It's something I want to share with other people. When I was younger, I had the opportunity to go overseas on the Caribbean on a missionary ship and actually teach several people caricaturing technique that they can actually utilize when they were out in the field and witnessing to people. I find it's a very eye-opening experience to sit down and draw someone in front of you and put them in a very discomfortable moment and then show them the drawing you've created for them and watch their eyes light up and even watch people cry as they find the beauty in themselves in the world of caricature. It's even opened up the doors for opportunities to witness to people and show them that Christ is their God and that they need to be paying more attention to that and less attention to the world that's around them that so quickly swallows us in. In saying that, I've been given an opportunity that only God would send, and it's something that I need your help with to actually get to. I have a YouTube channel called Draw Too Much where I've been drawing tutorial techniques on how to draw caricatures for many years, and in that time I've met some really amazing people, one person in particular named Uncle Bean. Uncle Bean is a really amazing guy who every time I've ever had a sale in caricature, he's been the first person in line. I've done some wonderful work with him, and apparently he told a certain convention that I taught techniques. So when this convention called the Fellowship of Christian Magicians International got a hold of me and said they wanted me to come out and teach caricatures, I got incredibly excited to travel and teach my techniques as part of the prayers that I've had out there for a long time. And I love my day job. I'm a videographer by trade. I get to work in an amazing job that I love. But on occasion, the traveling and being able to teach somewhere else is something that I've really wanted to do for a very long time. So as the organizers of this event and I have been talking, we both realized that neither of us can afford the plane ticket to get me out there. And we agreed very quickly that this is something where we've decided that we're just going to put it in God's hands. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be, and the way that that's going to happen is through your support. So this to me is honestly where it gets awkward. I need funding to get a plane ticket to fly to Indianapolis, where the convention will be taking place on July the 21st through July the 26th. And if you can see it in your heart to be that person to donate to this cause, it touches my heart completely. And I want you to know that this is something that's going to bless other people. It's going to inspire other people to find God and be an outreach to our communities. This is honestly the sort of thing I've wanted for my life for a very long time. This opportunity is something I really don't want to miss. I would not be coming to you and asking for this if I wasn't sincerely impressed with the desire to want to do this. And it's incredibly awkward for me to come to you and say, give me your money to help me do something selfish, like fly somewhere to be a teacher and teach these techniques. But at the same time, I'm hoping that there are individuals out there who want to learn caricature who can utilize it better than I even utilize it to teach God's Word and spread it out there. And getting to do that at a Christian event gives me more excitement than being contacted by other organizations to teach somewhere else. It started as a business thing. It started with the idea of being able to go out to a convention, teach techniques, and be able to sell caricatures and illustrations, but now it's become something far more serious. I see the potential impact that it's going to have on fellow Christians to utilize it in a way that honors God. That excites me more than anything, and that's why I'm here asking you guys to support me to make this happen. The fact that you're even looking at this page and watching this video means more to me than you know, and I'm just going to leave it at that. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for being part of God's grace, where He chooses to bless through you in whatever way, shape, and form, whether it's through your prayers, through your dollar, or through your support. If I get to go on this journey, you can bet I'll be vlogging it and sharing it on several of my different channels on my YouTubes, and I'm incredibly excited to hopefully be an outreach to a world that doesn't know about caricatures and maybe doesn't even see the benefit of how it could be utilized to witness to other people. Thank you for your support. God bless you. We'll leave it at that.